In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an effective habit tracker using Notion. This will help you manage your daily goals more efficiently and keep track of your progress in various areas of life. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Notion. Simply head over to your preferred web browser and type in https://www.notion.so in the address bar. Once there, you'll see an option to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to do so to access all the features we'll be exploring today. Once you're logged in, we're going to create a new page, which will be the home for your habit tracker. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a plus new page button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter a title. Go ahead and type Habit Tracker 2025, then press Enter. This will create a blank canvas for us to work on. Now that you've got your new page, let's add a table to organize your habits. To do this, start typing or table right on the page. This command allows you to select different types of tables. Choose the Table Inline option, and just like that, a small table will appear on your page, ready to be customized. Next, we need to rename the columns to make sure they accurately track your habits. The first column, labeled Name, should be changed to Habit. Then we'll add new properties to ensure we're capturing all the necessary details. Start by adding a property and name it Date, setting its type to Date. This will allow you to specify when you plan to work on each habit. Following that, add a status column by creating a new property and selecting the checkbox type, which will help you indicate whether you've completed a habit. Lastly, add another property named Category and select Select as the type. Here, you'll want to create options like Health, Study, Work, and Finance. With these categories, you can easily classify each habit according to its nature. Now that we have our table set up, let's add some example habits to get you started. Consider habits like Drink 2L water scheduled for October 6, 2025, with a completed checkbox under the Health category. You can also add Read 10 pages, Workout, and Budget check, each with their respective statuses and categories. The final step is to create a dynamic filter to show only today's habits. This feature will keep your tracker focused and manageable on a day-to-day basis. To set this up, click the Filter button located at the top right corner of your table. Then add a filter by selecting the Date column and choosing Is Today. With this filter, your table will automatically display only the habits planned for the current day. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional habit tracker within Notion that not only organizes your daily goals, but also keeps you accountable with clarity and efficiency. This setup will streamline your habit management, making it easier for you to stick to your personal development goals. Thanks for watching, and happy habit tracking!